Emergencies can be scary, but you can always be prepared for it with this step-by-step plan. Hello everybody and welcome back to FinanceFrog, where we save smart and invest smarter. Today we're walking you through something super important. What, how and why you need to start an emergency fund in just 30 days. Whether you're starting from scratch or need to build a safety net, I'll give you a step-by-step plan to make it happen. And stay tuned, because the last step is the most important. Without further ado, let's begin. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's cash set aside for unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or even job loss. Life happens, so let's make sure you're prepared. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses. But let's start small. Just $500 to $1,000 in the next 30 days. Step 1. Set a goal. Decide how much you want to save in the next 30 days. A good starting point, $500. That's just $16.67 per day. Step 2. Open a separate savings account. Keep your emergency fund separate so you're not tempted to spend it. Look for a high yield savings account, because hey, why not earn some extra interest? Step 3. Cut unnecessary spending. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, cook at home, and skip that daily $5 coffee. Remember, small changes add up. Step 4. Find extra cash. Time to boost your income. Sell things you don't need, pick up a side gig, or even use cashback apps to find extra money. Step 5. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account. Even $10 a day makes a huge difference. And the most important, step 6, is to stay consistent. By the end of the 30 days, you should have $500 or more saved up. If you can do this for 1 month, imagine what you can save in a year. That's it, you now have an emergency fund started in just 30 days. How much are you challenging yourself to save this month? Drop it in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Other than that, we'll see you in the next one. Remember to always save smart and invest smarter.